Yeah, all this advocate YouTuber stuff.
Yeah.
The legendario.
You guys want to buy some scrap leather?
Yeah, $20.
You guys bring any money?
No.
I think you're talking to the wrong guys here. They got a pretty low budget.
Wait. I got some on me.
You want to buy $20 worth of scrap leather?
My favorite product that I saw used to be the scrap leather, and now it is the knife. So it has like a bungee cord, a long little bungee cord. And you have your quick release here, so if you press this button down right here on the top, you can detach the little drum at the end.
Can I use it rock climbing?
Not rock climbing.
I was like, wait, you can't?
Yeah, so these all come with carabiners, you know, and you guys can choose to carry out your bullet.
If you have enough, you could possibly bungee jump on.
Actually, I don't know about the weight that is fair though.
Yeah, but
Maybe a baby bungee jump. A baby bungee jump. If we want any extra processing like heat treating, we have to send it somewhere else, or other coatings like melanite or Cerakote, anodizing, PVD coating, then you have to send it to other areas.
What's melanite?
Melanite is actually,
Like, you were the only one that remembered.
that's, melanite is what makes it look black. This is just a piece of metal that's dipped in a really, really hot bath. It's kind of like a certain type of, you know, heat treating, but basically it just kind of causes the outside surface of the metal to turn black. And
So feel it. So it's not paint, right?
no.
Can it scratch off?
It's really, it has like, you have to have a
baked
lot
in
of
there.
use. It's pretty much like baked into it.
Kellen. you gotta give you a wear test right here.
Do we have any of the really new carabiner to show them, or are we allowed to?
I don't see why not. We're launching
Yeah.
it on Tuesday. I will show you guys our new other carabiner that's coming out.
Top secret, first ones to see it.
Yeah. Let me go grab it. I'll be right back. So this is our new Talon carabiner. I don't know if you guys have seen our YouTube videos with Talon Sei. He is one of our influencers who has always promoted our products. He's a big fan. So this is him working with us on a product that he actually thinks would work really great, something that he's actually recommended, you know, as an EDC community member. It has 2 wire gates, so you have 2 options to carry, you know, keychains, little key ring. On one end you have your Phillips, and then the other you have your flathead or pry bar. So the other function with these two for adults are your bottle opener options on the inside. You guys want to look at it?
You're the first ones to see it, the first ones to touch it, guys. Fresh off the line.
It's like a delicate.
You can hold it.
You guys can hold it.
Just can't barely touch it.
It's got a 65-year warranty.
Put Keith's reaction in there.
Not me making a funny face.
Here.
What do you guys think about small businesses? Are you guys interested in like having your own business?
I want a summer job.
I don't know. I think my first job would either be at a library, or if not that, then I kind of want to come here because then it's kind of like where my dad works, and
Either a library or an art store.
I kind of want to start like a store for like these shirts because we already have like 9 of them.
Screen printing. Okay,
So if you guys are saving up for a car,
I have to wait
once you turn
4
16,
more years.
and do you guys have to work full time, or could they do like a summer, like she's saying, like a summer job program? Like, I want to save up for a car, I want to come in, I'll break down boxes, I'll paint owls, I'll grind parts, I'll sew leather, I'll do whatever you need me to do.
I'll do the painting.
Yeah.
Depending on the seasonal needs, yes, that is an option that we can
So there
have
you
you
go,
come in
guys.
for a seasonal period of time. We do have people, especially Christmas. So the time frame of like October to about mid-January is our busiest season.
Where you guys are slammed for
Yes.
gifts for Christmas.
So that's where we always take on extra employees and stuff like that. And I know that's kind of like,
That'd be
during the school
perfect
year,
for you guys to work up. We could save up enough money to buy my Father's Day gift. This works out, and if you're an employee, they might even give you an employee discount.
I want to get
Do
video
employees get an
games.
employee discount?
They do.
I want to get video games.
You're gonna buy video games for
I'll
employees?
save up to get
I want to get a PC too.
I'll save
I've
up
never
to get
had
my
one as a
dad.
kid. And no one has a.
Dude, you are a kid. Every now and then we have we have the owner of the company has a little, what is that? He's like a Pomeranian Husky, like.
Like a mini husky. There we go. That'd be fun.
Walk over.
It was a 10% chance working here. Now it immediately shot up to a 30.
30.
What do you guys say?
Thank you.
I'm on YouTube.
You guys say make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and
Make sure to
subscribe.
make sure to like hit that and come all this advocate YouTuber stuff.
Yeah.
And if you don't in the next 5 seconds,
You're gonna tell them like it, subscribe. You've been practicing all year long. This is your chance, guys.
I don't know.
Like and subscribe under the video.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification,
So
comment.
bye. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Wait, did you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for